Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Panic760 here, making a short video for you guys on how to access and unlock your BMW E46 onboard computer functions. Let's see, first thing we do is we get our key, we put it into the first position. See, first thing you do is with your left, on this left side button, you press it, you hold it, press and hold till it says test. Then you go to 19. Go to 19, you let it go. Once that's off, you press one time and then you go. See, let me show you something cool. Sorry about that. If you let it go at 2 and then you go back and you press it, it'll show you all your instrument panels, make sure that they're working correctly. And then I'm gonna put everything below so you guys can go ahead and do it by yourselves. Test out your instrument panel, all your OBC functions, and everything else. So let's test another thing. Whoops, let's go back. Let's press and hold again. Test our battery now. Go back to 19. This will test your battery right here. When it says off, remember, press it and go to 9. Go to 9 and see, now it says 125. That means it's at 12.5 volts right now. So if you turn on your car, it'll go at 140, which means 14.0. And if that's at 141, that's very good. That means your battery is good, you know. But down below, I'm gonna be posting everything. I'm gonna put a list of all the OBC functions, all the numbers. Like, you could just go to them, you know, test out your instrument panel and everything you need. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and like. Thanks.